there everybody, I am Prashant Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sociocritic. We already discussed about the multiple choice questions from all the lessons. Now let us discuss one model question paper 2020-21 exams, public exam, social science one model question paper. Now here the first instruction they will give like this: 4 choices are given for each of the questions or incomplete statements. Choose the correct answer and shade the correct choice in the OMR given to you with the blue or black ballpoint pen. Okay. So now here the question. So first maths will be there, then science, then social. So 81st question. First question: Francisco de Almeida implemented dash blue water policy, war and negotiation policy, divide and rule policy, doctrine of lapse policy. It is yes, you are right, blue water policy. Option A, blue water policy. Yes. Second question: Salbai agreement was signed to end dash first Anglo-Mysore war, first Anglo-Maratha war, first Anglo-Sikh war, first Carnatic war. Yes, yeah. Salbai agreement was signed to end, option B, first Anglo-Maratha war. Yes. Next question: a Fauzdari Adalat is civil court, revenue court, criminal court, consumer court. So it is option C, criminal court. Yes, Diwani Adalat is the civil court. Next question: Governor General during the 4th Anglo-Mysore War was Wellesley, Dalhousie, Cornwallis, Ripon. So it is option A, Wellesley. Okay, yeah. Social reformer. The social reformer who declared back to Vedas was Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Swami Vivekananda, Narayana Guru, Dayananda Saraswati. Yes, you are right. It is Dayananda Saraswati, Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi revolted against the British due to the reason: subsidiary alliance, war and negotiation policy, divide and rule policy, doctrine of lapse policy. Yes, it is option D, doctrine of lapse policy. Ras Bihari Ghosh and Madam Kama are the leaders of revolutionaries, moderates, radicals, extremists. It is option A, revolutionaries. Yes. Next question: founder of Indian National Congress was Mahatma Gandhi, A.O. Hume, Balagangadhar Tilak, Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Yes, it is A.O. Hume. Yes. Next question: Forward Bloc was founded by Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Balagangadhar Tilak. It is option B, Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, yeah. Lala Lajpat Rai was killed during Jallianwala Bagh massacre, the protest against the Simon Commission, non-cooperation movement, the salt satyagraha. It is option B, the protest against Simon Commission. Okay, yeah. Next, Mahad Tank and Kalaram temple movements were organized to protest against the dash practice of untouchability, visit of Prince of Wales, proposals of Cripps Commission, arrest of Gandhi at Dundee. Yes, it is mainly against practice of untouchability by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Yes. Next question. The word added to the preamble through 42nd Amendment of the Constitution are Republic and democracy, socialist and secular, sovereignty and democracy, regional and secular. In the 42nd Amendment, option B, socialist and secular words were added. Chennamma revolted against the British from which place? Mysore, Kittur, Belagavi, Chitradurga. Yes, very easy. Kittur. Lokpal and Lokayukta were set up to check regional imbalance, corruption, communalism, practice of untouchability. It is corruption. Yeah. The Constitution of India's Article 51 advocates. Article 51 of Indian Constitution advocates free and compulsory education, uniform panchayat institutions, social justice and welfare of people, establishment of international peace and cooperation. Yeah. So it is option D, establishment of international peace and cooperation. Yeah. Next question. In 1966, USSR had supported the Tashkent Agreement between these countries: India and Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Pakistan, India and China, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. Tashkent Agreement between India and Pakistan. From India, Lal Bahadur Shastri, and Pakistan, Ayub Khan. The Human Rights Declaration was adopted on December 10th, 1948, December 15th, 1949, March 10th, 1950, March 15, 1952. It is December 10th, 1948. The Cabinet of UNO is General Assembly, Trusteeship Council, Security Council, Secretariat. Answer is option C, Security Council. Parliament of UNO is, or World Parliament is, General Assembly. Okay. Chief Architect of Indian Constitution is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi. Chief Architect of Indian Constitution is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay. The book The Republic was written by Aristotle, Plato, Karl Marx, Auguste Comte. It is Plato. Yeah. Karnataka State Raita Sangha was founded by Rudrappa, Basavalingappa, M.D. Nanjundeswamy, N.D. Sundaresh. It is M.D. Nanjundeswamy. Child Marriage Prohibition Act was passed in the year 2006, 2009, 2007, 2008, 2009. It is 2006. Yeah. Next, the highest peak in the Eastern Ghat. Highest peak in the Eastern Ghats is Anemudi, Armakonda, Guru Shikara, Nilgiris. It is option B, Armakonda. Anemudi in Western Ghat, and it is the highest peak in South India. Yeah, Guru Shikara in Abu Hills in Aravalis. Dras near Kargil is prominent for. Dras near Kargil is prominent for lowest recorded rainfall in India, highest recorded temperature in India, lowest recorded temperature in India, highest recorded rainfall in India. So Dras is famous for lowest recorded temperature in India. Option C, lowest recorded temperature. Next, the black soil is derived from crystalline rocks, basalt rocks, granite, coal. So it is option B, basalt rocks. Stilt-like roots are found in equatorial forest, tropical deciduous forest, mountain forest, mangrove forest. Stilt-like roots or pendant roots are found in mangrove forest. The west flowing rivers of peninsular plate of India are Mahanadi and Krishna, Tunga and Bhadra, Narmada and Tapati, Kaveri and Palar. So it is Narmada and Tapati. Next, shifting farming and sedentary farming are the two types of commercial farming, intensive farming, irrigation farming, subsistence farming. It is, yes, subsistence farming. Gateway of India is Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai. It is Mumbai. India Gate is in Delhi, but Gateway of India, Mumbai. Iron and steel industries under private sector among these is Ispat Steel Plant, Bokaro Steel Plant, Bhilai Steel Plant, and Salem Steel Plant. So the private sector, option A, Ispat Steel Plant. Okay. Next question. One of the measures for preventing coastal erosion is to prevent coastal erosion. Construction of dam across the river, restrict sand mining in coastal areas, avoid the construction of large dams and reservoirs, construction of high-rise buildings. So to avoid coastal erosion, option B, restrict sand mining in coastal areas. Next question. The oldest and still existing newspaper of India. Oldest and still existing newspaper. Bombay Samachar, Mangalore Samachar, Bengaluru Samachar, Mysore Samachar. It is Bombay Samachar. The port situated in the Union Territories of India among these: Kolkata, Visakhapatnam, Ennore, Port Blair. So all the three A, B and C are in mainland of India and it is in the states, but one, that is option D, Port Blair, it is in Andaman Nicobar Islands. Next, when national income is divided by total population, we get national income divided by total population, gross national income, per capita income, standard of living, life expectancy. So we get, by dividing national income by total population, option B, per capita income. Ashraya Yojana was implemented to provide employment for unemployed people, shelter for shelterless people, agricultural land for landless people, schools for illiterates. So it is Ashraya Yojana. The name itself says option B, shelter for shelterless people. Next question. A uniform system of Panchayat Raj institutions throughout the country was established by 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1993, 63rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1963, 53rd Constitutional Amendment in 1953, 43rd Constitutional Amendment in 1973. So it is option A, 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1993. Next question. The account holder can withdraw or deposit any number of times in a day in this type of account: savings bank account, current account, recurring deposit account, term deposit account. So it is option B, current account. For businessmen it is. The national savings certificate are issued by post offices, State Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India, land development banks. National savings certificates are issued by option A, post offices. Okay. World Consumers Day is celebrated on World Consumers Day, 15th March every year, 14th February every year, 14th November every year, 15th August every year. World Consumers Day on 15th March. Option A, 15th March every year. Consumer Protection Act came into force in India in the year 1962, 1972, 1986, 1996. So it is option C, 1986. Okay. So this is about model question paper. So, and with another model question paper I will come soon. Thank you. Thank you very much.